Okay, good morning. Here we are, day one of our recent Disney trip. We are headed to Orlando. We are staying in Bonnet Creek for 4 nights, and then Caribbean, whatever you say, beach resort for 3 days after that. And I haven't stayed there, and we're super excited. I got my shirt on. We fly out at 5:30. So right now it's 1 something. I went to bed at like 5. I don't know how I did it, and my kids did too. So we're just gonna get ready. We're all packed. Everything's all set. So come along with us as we visit the parks. Okay, so you gotta look here. Here we are. We made it to Denver Airport. It's super early. It is 3 o'clock. We're just waiting to check in. We got all of our stuff here. We are ready to hit up Epcot. Well, first up Bonnet Creek and some pool time and slide time today.
I know that too.
Do not worry, this train is going on the service.
Okay, we have made it off of our little tram here in Denver, heading to our gate. So far, it's been real easy through security, super easy parking. We've had a good morning so far. Everything's going good. Now, normally, you would go to the Amex Lounge, which is by C47. So we're going that way anyways, but everything's closed, so this kind of stinks. So in the Denver airport, here is gate C46, and up there's the Amex Lounge. It is not open this early, which stinks, but whatever. Usually flying out of Denver can be pretty bumpy, but let me tell you, our landing in Orlando, there's a tornado warning. Whoo-wee, it was rough.
Where's the McDonald's?
Okay, but where are we? We made it. A little sleepy, right? So here's the view that we know. Fun is about to be had once you see that.
And here we are. We safely made it to Wyndham Bonnet Creek within the Disney bubble. Look at our pool. Can't wait for this vacation to get going.
Just made it to our room here at Wyndham Bonnet Creek. We're in Tower 1 in a deluxe 2-bedroom room. So I'm just gonna do a quick little tour for you. I haven't stayed in this tower, so here we go. Okay, so here is the primary. You have a nice window. We face the lake. A nice big bed. And then television, lamp, chargers. Oh, and another window. See really nice views if you look out. I think that's nice to look at. And then we got a nice little balcony view, which is odd. And a full television. Okay, and then here's the bath. My daughter's in the tub, so we're just gonna wing past her. There's a jacuzzi tub right here. So I'll show that later. Here is the main bathroom sink. I wish it was a double sink, but it's not. There's a lot of room in this bathroom. I honestly put my luggage in here. And here's the toilet, which is ginormous. And then a shower. Okay, and the showers don't look that new, I'm not gonna lie. And then in here we have more storage, which is newish. And there are any bath products. There's just 2 tiny ones. So that is the tour of the room. I'll show the jacuzzi tub when my daughter's done.
Located not far from Tower 1 is the pool, and it is located between Tower 2 and Tower 3. There is a water slide. There is a little snack bar with alcoholic beverages and food, and a little splash area for kids.
Okay, here we are, day 2 at Wyndham. It's Margarita Mondays here at the resort. My brother's family got here. We're celebrating his 50th. I'll show you this. I'm gonna share this shop. I got custom-made little koozies for him for his birthday with his picture. So I'll do a tour later today. We'll just look around the resort. Okay, over here is the main lobby and where you would check in. There's a pool there, a little lazy river. There's a bar. There's lots of activities.
Now right to left, that's Tower 4 right there. Behind the fountain is Tower 5, and Tower 6 is what we call the pirate ship pool, and it is right there by the restaurant. And to the right of that, you have the hotel. Now, throughout the resort, there are barbecue areas. These are cleaned every morning. They are spotless. There was 4 in this area. You are allowed to grill for an hour. And right near Tower 1 and Tower 2 is this lovely park, which is right beside that barbecue area, so perfect for families. If you see on the map here, we were in Tower 1, which is located next to the barbecue area and the park. Further down, as you can see, Tower 2, that is by the shuffleboard, mini putt area. And Tower 3, we have the pool, the kiddie pool, and anything else you would want. This resort is huge with lots of amenities and things to do. And also throughout the pathway, which goes around the entire resort, you're going to find a schedule that tells you the daily activities, what's happening each day, and where. So pay attention to that so you're always in the know. Also located near the front lobby is another splash pad. This one has more slides and little water fountains, a little more elaborate than the one at Tower 2 and 3. Also, you can go to the activities desk in the lobby and you can buy some fish food. There are so many koi, there are so many birds, so many ducks. There is enough to feed all of them. It was really cool to do.
Oh, I see them.
Oh yeah, they're like little catfish.
Oh, this white one's like. Nope, nothing. Yep, here we go. We're gonna get them a nice juicy dinner. Look at his beady little eyes. No, go closer to the crane. Here we go. They're getting smart. They're not coming around now. Oh, yeah, get one.
A little in front of him.
Yeah, go right in front of his face.
Well, throw a little bit in front because the crane will catch a fish.
Yeah.
We saw him catch a fish, Lola.
It's such a big one.
So we nicknamed this crane the troll because what he would do all day is hide under the bridge, and when you put out fish food or duck food, suddenly he would come out and strike looking for his dinner. But it was so fun to see. It was really neat. And the fish food costs $2. They don't recommend you use bread. They ask that you use the pellets they have. So we use those for the ducks, the fish, the crane, everything in between. That's how they got their awesome meal care of our travel family. To end our first full day here at Wyndham Bonnet Creek, I bring you Epcot fireworks that you cannot see unless you go to Tower 4. I guess they have a balcony you can watch them from. We did get to hear them one of the nights practicing for May 4th, but I highly recommend you go on that balcony. And please like, comment, and subscribe to Tots and Touchdowns. I really appreciate this support. You know I love doing this. So stay tuned for the rest of our Wyndham trip.